Hi everyone, welcome back to my Java tutorials. So in this channel I make Java videos every day, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. So in today's video we are going to be discussing about Java's math.absolute method, or also known as math.abs method in Java. So first of all, what is Java math.absolute method in Java? Well, basically Java math absolute Java math.absolute is used to convert any negative number, like for example -5, into a positive number, which is gonna give us the result 5, where it's just simply just gonna remove the minus, and then it will just convert it to a positive number, which is gonna be 5. But yeah, so absolute values can only be positive, like they can't be negative. So if you write a negative number, it will convert it into a positive number. So to make sure that you understand much more better, and to avoid any confusion, like you'll be saying like I don't understand like what you're trying to say, don't worry, I got you. So to make sure that you understand better, I'm gonna be showing you some examples, some examples by using Java math.absolute method in math.absolute method. Okay, so I'll just zoom out my camera a little bit. Okay, now you guys can see my screen. Okay, now I'm gonna open Eclipse. Okay, now inside the body of the curly braces, we're gonna write int any variable name, like for example x is equals to -12, and then system.out.println, inside these parentheses, math.absolute. Like, look, if you write math.absolute like this, it's gonna be wrong. And so you just have to write abs and then x, because Java won't understand absolute, because they added abs for absolute. So if you write absolute, it's gonna give you an error. Not me, not us, I mean you. Okay, so math.abs inside these parentheses x. Okay, now we're gonna execute this code. So when we execute this code, it's gonna become 12. -12 became 12. So it just converted -12 into 12, just like that. So yeah, math.absolute, it's not useless at all. It just converts any negative value or any negative number, like 1, 2, 3, like -1, 2, 3, 4, like any negative value into a positive value. So we can just play around with our code and then change it a little bit. Like for example, int x is equals to, we'll change it. Okay, so let's see what will happen if you write a positive number. Well, it will still remain a positive number, because we can't convert a positive number into a positive number. It will remain the same number. So yeah, positive number, converting it, it will remain the same. But we can only convert a negative number into a positive number. But if we write a positive number by using math.absolute, it's gonna stay as a positive number. And so no matter how long the negative value is, the math.absolute, it's still gonna convert it into a positive number. It will never convert it into a negative number, even though you write it as a positive, even though you write a positive number. Okay, so look, 78, I don't know, so 78 million thing. Yeah, so 78 million, it remained the same thing. It didn't convert it into -78 million. No, it didn't. Absolute math.absolute only converts a negative value, like the minus sign I'm just showing to you guys. Yeah, So it will only convert a negative value into a positive value, but it will never convert a positive value into a negative value. Okay guys, so in this video you just learned how to in this video you just learned math.absolute value, and you also learned that math.absolute is used to convert any negative number into a positive number. No matter how long the negative number is, it will still convert it into a positive number. And also, I forgot to mention that every time you write a method, you always have to write these parentheses every time. Don't forget it, it's very important. And so math.absolute, so the parentheses are useful because you can put your variable name inside it, and it can be useful, and it's mandatory, it's obligatory to put these parentheses. And if you write nothing in here, like Java won't understand what should I convert, like which value, or like which value should I convert. So you should write your variable names and then set it to a negative value, negative value, and then it's gonna convert it into a positive value. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so it will remind you whenever I upload a new video. And yeah guys, have a nice day. Bye.